Your question is under the Scheduled Castes and Scheduled Tribes Prevention of Atrocities Act 1989, which of the following is barred? Your options are A. Anticipatory bail, B. Post arrest bail, C. Benefit of probation, or D. All of the above. Right answer is A. Anticipatory bail. Your question is which one of the following suggested that the governor should be an eminent person from outside the state and should be a detached figure without an intense political links or should not have taken part in politics in the recent past? Your options are A. First Administrative Reforms Commission 1966, B. Rajmanar Committee 1969, C. Sarkariya Commission 1983, or D. National Commission to Review the Working of the Constitution 2000. Right answer is C. Sarkariya Commission 1983. Your question is what can be the maximum number of members in the Legislative Assembly of a state in India? Your options are A. 400, B. 450, C. 500, or D. 550. Right answer is C. 500. Your question is name the chairman of the Law Commission who advocated that one-third of the judges in each High Court should be from another state. Your options are A. Justice P. N. Bhagwati, B. Justice Hidayatullah, C. Justice H. R. Khanna, or D. Justice Chandrachud. Right answer is C. Justice H. R. Khanna. Your question is interstate relations in India are dependent upon 1. Constitutional provisions, 2. Conventions and practices, 3. Judicial interpretations, 4. Mechanisms for dialogue. Select the correct answer from the codes given below. Code. Your options are A. 1 and 2, B. 1, 2 and 3, C. 2, 3 and 4, or D. All the 4. Right answer is D. All the 4. Constitutional provisions, conventions and practices, judicial interpretations, mechanisms for dialogue. Your question is the President of India may declare the national emergency if there is the threat of 1. External aggression, 2. Internal disturbances, 3. Armed rebellion, 4. Communal clashes. Select the correct answer from the codes given below. Code. Your options are A. 1 and 2 only, B. 2 and 3 only, C. 3 and 4 only, or D. 1 and 3 only. Right answer is D. 1 and 3 only. External aggression and armed rebellion. Your question is the deputy chairman of the planning commission is equivalent to. Your options are A. Vice President, B. Minister of the State, C. Cabinet Minister, or D. Judge of the Supreme Court. Right answer is C. Cabinet Minister. Your question is which act established Public Service Commission in India for the first time? Your options are A. Indian Council Act 1892, B. Council Act 1909, C. Government of India Act 1919, or D. Government of India Act 1935. Right answer is C. Government of India Act 1919. Your question is the principle of Kamraj Plan was. Your options are A. To establish an ideal socialist society, B. Industrial development of Tamil Nadu, C. Making Indian National Congress vibrant, or D. Promotion of cooperative farming. Right answer is C. Making Indian National Congress vibrant. Your question is the Dinesh Goswami committee was concerned with. Your options are A. Denationalization of banks, B. Electoral reforms, C. Steps to put down insurgency in the northeast, or D. The problem of the Chakmas. Right answer is B. Electoral reforms.